Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your earpiece on your iPhone is just not working properly. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, but the very first thing I would recommend you to look at is to actually make sure that your earpiece up top was even working if there's no cracks around it or anything like that. If you recently have massively dropped your iPhone, this can easily be the problem in which your iPhone is causing the issue in the first place. So what the best bet to do here is to probably go ahead and just see if there's any cracks or anything on the top of your iPhone. So go ahead and see if your earpiece is even working at all, and that's the very first thing I'd recommend doing. But there can be a lot of different situations where your earpiece up top, maybe it has a bunch of earwax or dust stuff stuck in it. So what I would recommend doing is actually looking thoroughly into this little crevice up here and making sure there's no earwax, making sure there's nothing built up over time, because that in and of itself can probably cause the issues, and that's probably the first thing I'd recommend looking at. Now, let's say you do that and that doesn't work. Well, the next thing I'd probably recommend doing is going through and actually see if you have an update available for your iPhone. So what you can do here is you can click into your settings application. So you'll come here. What you want to do here is you want to scroll down until you see general, which is right there. So go and click on your general settings. You then want to go and click on your software update panel, which is right there. And all you want to do here is update your iPhone. A majority of the time you will not believe how updating your iPhone can pretty much fix the issue, and that may end up fixing it for you. Now let's say you do that and that still doesn't work. Well, the next thing I'd recommend doing is powering on your iPhone or powering it off. So go and hold down the buttons that you normally would use to power off your iPhone. You want to slide to power off your device. You want to go ahead and power back on, and that may end up fixing it for you as well. Now those are pretty much the main things I'd recommend doing. If you have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section as well. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.